Hey guys, let's understand the problem with 1951. It's a bit tricky because we have to optimize little bit in the time complexity. This time we have 5, so we cannot use n square here. Let's understand the problem, what the question is saying. Okay. This statement is quite investigating at first if you didn't put attention on this. I have a string, suppose like let's take an example of this. A, uh, A, A, B, and B. Okay. So what this question is saying is I have to select a substring in which there is at most one character whose count is 0. Understand this. At most one character whose count is 0. Oh, 0 or odd. Okay, suppose if I take A, so A is coming 2 times and B is coming 1 time. So this is even and this is odd. So I got one character whose count is odd. So this is a wonderful string, or I can say valid string. But suppose if I go for A and B, the count of here A is 1 and B is 1. So I have two characters whose frequency is odd. So this is not a valid. This is not a valid string. Okay. So what all are the valid string? Let's see that. First of all, let's use it. Now, if I start with A, I can form double A because this is odd and this is no characters have odd characters, so I can take. Suppose I have a string like AA, BB, CC. This is a valid string because there is no character who have odd value, odd frequency. Understood? See, at most, either we have 1 or 0. Okay? So, understood this? So I can go for A, B, A, B, B. Okay? Now, for here, I can go for A. I cannot go for AB. I can go for A, B. Here, I can go B, double B, and here I can only go for. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is 9 is the answer? Yes. So can I think of what I can think of is I can use a hash map and keep on. Suppose I am at this position and I took the index till here. So I will count each frequency till here. Suppose I have A, B. I will check the count of each values. This is the brute force, but this will give me time complexity. Okay, so what can I think of? A trick question is, see, this line A to J. There in this string, I can only have from value A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and J. Okay, these are only characters that will be there. So, what is a valid? So, now suppose if I start with A, I can go for here, I can go for here, I can go for here. So, in this, what I will use is a bit manipulation. What it means, like, suppose if I'm standing here, then with a with a bit, I can tell that how many that the A is coming odd times or even times. Okay, understand this. Suppose let's create a bit manipulation map. Okay, suppose in the starting my value in this one two actors, so I will take 2, 1 and 1. This will represent A, this will represent B. Okay, since there are 0 frequencies, here this is the empty string. Okay, 0 is the even, so I will do this. Now, I move to this A. So, A, this is even, so I will make this odd. Okay, now again, I move here. Since it was an odd, I will make this even because A again come even move. Now B. So, B is occurring even time. Now, there is frequency 1. 1 is odd. So, I will make this as like this. These are the bits, binary count. Okay, now move again and 0. This is odd. And I move here, frequency get 2. So, I will get 1 here. I don't really need the frequency count. I just need even and odd. Okay, so you understand this, the the bit thing? If you don't, just repeat the video. So this is my hash map. Okay, with the this is my hash map, which tells me this is the key of the hash map. So the hash map would look like this: 1 1 1 0 1, like this. Okay, in the starting it was 1, so the count will be 1. I move here, it will be 1. I move here, it would be 2. Here 2 and 3. This would be my hash map. Okay, in the end it would look like this: the count 3 and the count 2. Okay, so let's move forward with the concept. Okay. In a string, if I need suppose if I'm standing here, okay, A, A, B, B. Now suppose I am standing at this position. So where can I go till? Where can I go? Okay. Now I will let me take the values 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay. I can only make the substrings tell the position where there is only a one set difference. Means, suppose there is a bit like this, and there's another bit whose value is like this. So for this, I can make a substring from this position to this position because there is only a one difference of string. Okay, by this it will make an odd value. Suppose I have A, and I have A, and B. Okay, suppose this represent B, this represent A. So I have odd number of times A, and in this I have even number of time B, and in this I have odd number of time B. So this is a valid string I can make from this position to this position. Okay, hope you understand the concept. Let's try to code this up. With this, it will be more clear to you. Now, I need a hash map. Okay, of value int. Okay, now I need a result which will return me the number of valid substrings. Now I need a bit. In the starting, I'm saying that I need all ones. So whatever I do is I have so it will be like 1 and 10 times 0 XOR what this will do is what this will do is suppose I have uh, 5 zeros, and this will, if I minus 1, then it will create all, this would be my result. Okay, with 10 times this would be my 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This would be my binary representation of this. Okay, now in the starting, since I have one, I have since the empty string, I have the count. Okay, forward characters in word. Okay, now I want to find the index so that I can change the position of the bit. Suppose 10100, and I have C. So this is my C count. So what I will do is I need a index C. So I will have to do like this and do the XOR. It will be like become like this. Okay. So index would be order of character minus order of, okay. Now what I will do is bit equals to index. Okay. So I have set the bit, set the current bit, and I have to increment in the end I have to implement the count also. So let's count this. Now the main function, since at this position I will say that just count all the bits that are in the result in the hash map. Okay. What I in range 10. What I am doing here, I can say that if I have 10 digits, so I can take a difference of this, I can take a difference of this, I can change any of these values, and I can only have one. I can only manage to have a one difference, one bit difference. So I will just keep on changing each bit. I can just flip like make it 0. Then I will make 1. Then I will make 1. Okay, like this. What would be like? 10 bit equals to bit dot 1 forward I. Okay, I will do this. Result plus bit, then 10. Okay, dictionary. Yeah, so let's run this up. Yeah, speed. The text is not getting fast. Let's try to accept implement this. Yeah, it's been accepted. Hope you understand the concept of this wonderful string. It's a bit quite tricky, so if you don't understand this, read the video and try to understand this whole concept. Okay. Hope you like this video. Good. See ya.